Hello aspirants, welcome to INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the amazing facts about the state of Maharashtra in India. In this video, we are extensively covering the physical characteristics, natural vegetation of Maharashtra, regional festivals, art forms, industry, major rivers, minerals, agriculture, geographical indicators, historical sites, heritage sites, national parks, biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuaries. The Maharashtra, located in the western India, it is the third largest state by area and second most populous. India, over 120 million residents. It shares the border with the Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Goa, and boasts at 720-kilometer coastal lines along the Arabian Sea. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai, that is the state capital, India's financial hub. Mumbai is the home of the Bombay Stock Exchange and also National Stock Exchange. It also that hosts mainly the Bollywood, the heart of India's film industries, which is formed on the year of 1961. May Maharashtra consists of 36 states. The language which is mainly speaking in Maharashtra, that is Marathi. The Nagpur as a serving as a winter capital. Nagpur is a major commercial and political center in the Vidarbha region. Then Pune, that is known for the educational institution and IT industry. Pune is a cultural and economic hub. Nashik, which is famous for the vineyards and also religious significance. Nashik is a key city that stays the economy and also the culture. Mainly the major city was Nagpur, Pune, Aurangabad, Amravati. It is mainly known for the largest producer of the sugarcane in India. The key points about Maharashtra, that is the physical characteristics, that is mainly it has the west narrow Konkan coastal lowland to the west. The Western Ghats running north to south separates the coast from the interior, and the Deccan Plateau, that is a Satpura hills along the northern border, and the Bamragad, Chiroli, Gaikwadi, that is ranges on the eastern border, serves as a natural limit to the state. There is a natural vegetation, that is tropical moist deciduous forest and tropical semi-evergreen forest, tropical deciduous and tropical thorny vegetation, which is present in the Maharashtra region. The major rivers that is flows to the Maharashtra, that is Narmada River, Godavari River, Krishna River. These are the major rivers which is present in the Maharashtra region. The major regional festival, that is Holi, is famous for worldwide. Ranga Panchami, that is also very much famous in this area, and Dasara, Ganesh Chaturthi, Nag Panchami, Pola. These are the major regional festivals celebrated in the Maharashtra region. The major art forms of Maharashtra, that is a dance, like Lavani is a famous dance, Tamasha, Koli dance, Tindi, Dangari Gaja, Kala. These are the major important dance forms of Maharashtra, and Kala, Warli painting are very much important worldwide painting. The music is the Ovi, Baleri, Paleni, Marathi, Natya, Sangeet. These are the major important musical forms which are present in the Maharashtra region. The major industries are cotton textiles, petrochemicals, edible oils, rubber products, television set, sugarcane products, radio sets, refrigerators, sugar mills. These are the major industries which are running in the Maharashtra region. The major agriculture products, that is a jowar, millet, pulses, rice, wheat, jute, cotton, peanut, mango, orange, tobacco. These are the major agricultural products which are present in the Maharashtra region, which are cultivated in the Maharashtra region. The Maharashtra boasts the largest economy among the Indian states, that contributing approximately 14% to the national GDP. The state economy is a diverse with significant contribution from the manufacturing, agriculture, service sector. The agriculture plays a vital role in the Maharashtra economy. So it is a leading producer of the sugarcane, soya beans, grapes, the diverse climatic condition that allows the cultivation of the various crops across the various regions. So these are the major important agricultural product, and also that is a many important historical dynasties, that is Mayurya, Satavahanas, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, and also Marathas. They are ruled in the Maharashtra in the ancient medieval times, and also the Maratha Empire under the leader like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has played a significant role that resisting the Mughal rule. Post independence, the state formed in the year of 1960 and it was capitaled by Mumbai. So these are the major important historical facts about the Maharashtra. The minerals are chromate, hydrocarbons, manganese, petroleum, limestone. These are the major minerals which are present in the Maharashtra. The geographical indications. The Kolhapuri chappals are very much famous. The Kolhapuri jaggery, that is very much famous in this area. Mahabaleshwar strawberries are very much important because of the diverse natural condition, and also Nashik grapes, Nashik valley wine, the Jalgons, brinjols, Nagpur's orange, Solapur jadar, and Solapur terry towel, and Puneri bagadi. These are the very much important around the India, and Paithani sarees and fabrics are very much famous around the world. So these are the major important geographical indication, that is the Kolhapuri chappal, Kolhapuri jaggery, Mahabaleshwar strawberry, Nashik grape, Nashik valley wine, Jalgaons brinjal, Nagpur orange, Solapur chadar, Solarpur terry towel, Puneri bagadi, Paithani sarees and fabrics. These are the major important geographical indicators of the Maharashtra region. The major key points about Maharashtra: first of all, the state bat, that is a green imperial, that is a state bat of the Maharashtra. The state animal is a giant squirrel, and state tree is a mango tree. The state flower is a jarul. These are the major important key points. That is, the state bat is a green imperial. The state animal is a giant squirrel. The state tree is mango. The state flower is a jarul. These are the major important key points about the Maharashtra region. The major World Heritage sites are the Western Ghats, Ajanta Caves, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Elephant Caves, and Ellora Caves are important World Heritage sites. The major important biodiversity hotspot is the Western Ghats. It's having so much of flora fauna in this region, so it is important for the biodiversity hotspot. It considered as a hotspot. National parks, there is a Gugamal National Park, Navigon National Park, Sanjeev Gandhi Boriwali National Park, Tadoba National Park, Pench National Park, Chandoli National Park. These are the major important national parks which is present in the Maharashtra region. Important tiger reserve: Melhat, Tadoba, Andheri, Pench, Sayadri, Navigon, Zira, Bor. These are the important tiger reserve. The marine protected area, because of the coastal line, the Malvan Marine Thane Creek Flamingo, that is a very much important marine protected area in the Maharashtra region. The Bat Sanctuary, that is a Mayani Bat Sanctuary, Great Indian Bustard Sanctuary, are very much famous in the Maharashtra regions. Wildlife Sanctuary, that is a Amba Barwa Wildlife Sanctuary, Andheri Wildlife Sanctuary, Anna Dam Wildlife Sanctuary, Bambragar Wildlife Sanctuary, Bhima Shankar Wildlife Sanctuary, Bor Wildlife Sanctuary, Chaprala Wildlife Sanctuary, Dio Lagwan Wildlife Sanctuary, Dhyan Ganga Wildlife Sanctuary, Gautala Outram Gut Wildlife Sanctuary, Great Indian Bustard Wildlife Sanctuary, Jaikwadi Wildlife Sanctuary, Kalsubai, Harish Chandargarh Wildlife Sanctuary, Karnataka Wildlife Sanctuary, Karanja Sobal Blackbuck Wildlife Sanctuary, Kattapurna Wildlife Sanctuary, Koina Wildlife Sanctuary, Lonar Wildlife Sanctuary, Malvan Marine Wildlife Sanctuary, Mansingh Dio Wildlife Sanctuary, Mayureshwar Surp Wildlife Sanctuary, Malgat Wildlife Sanctuary, Nagzira Wildlife Sanctuary, Naigan Mayur Wildlife Sanctuary, Nandur Madhyameshwar Wildlife Sanctuary, Narnala Bad Wildlife Sanctuary, Navigon Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the major wildlife sanctuaries which are present in the Maharashtra region. So there is a very major tourism and cultural space, that is a UNESCO World Heritage Sites, that is Ajanta, Ellora Caves, Elephant Caves, and also Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus in Mumbai is very much famous, and also there is a hill station like Lonavala, Khandala, and also Mahabaleshwar, also very much scenic, that is a retreat of eyes, and also beaches like Konkan Coast features serene, beaches like Ganpati Pule, that is very much famous, festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, and cuisines or Maharashtra cuisines includes dishes like Puran Poli, that is Vada Pav, and also the Misal Pav, showcasing a blend of flavors in the Maharashtra. Thank you so much.